If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Platform.sh, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Platform.sh account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage transfers. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, locate the transfer section in the dashboard. This area lists all pending and completed transfers associated with your account. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. Review the list of pending transfers and find the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Take note of any relevant details, such as the transfer ID or associated project. Step 4. Select the transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in lead databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer, usually labeled as cancel or abort. Click this option and confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transfer on Platform.sh. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to the support team.